Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today this car coming Hyundai Elentra 2006 and this won't start. Let me show you. Here you see the car don't start. Only ignition on, and when I try to start, nothing. You see the sound. This car doesn't start. Okay, now I need to see the code. Here is the ECM, read all, and read code. You see system voltage, maybe some power problem. So I check the spark plug. If current connects, you see the current spark is coming. Now let me show you the injector. With current coming on one line for power and one line for ground for pulse. You see this line.
Switch on करें.
ECM.
Switch on.
Is good. Okay, and another line. No power coming. You see when I open the switch and here ground coming. So I need to see the fuse. Here is the fuse. Injector. You see 10 number. And this 10 here. Here is the location. Now let me show you the fuse. Here power coming. Here doesn't. You see this here problem. Injector fuse. So when I remove this fuse and replaced, you see that's okay now. Now I see the injector power. Here when I ignition on, you see the power is coming. Now problem solved. Now we need to reconnect the connector.
Car start.
And here it is. Okay, now you see the car start now. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and please do like. Here is the code. We see again if coming or not. No trouble code. Now finish.